And the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Peter
Boom! Chart Addicts, how you doing? Einstein and Wall Street from the balcony at the New York Stock Exchange. Welcome.
Education is the great equalizer between institutional and retail. But
Correct.
A lot of retail traders feel like no matter how much they learn, they still feel disadvantaged because they don't really understand how the institutional side works. Do you believe that traders have a fair chance if they have the right education?
Okay, if you learn the game and you understand how trading works, and you become a successful trader, you learn technical analysis, you learn price action, you learn about risk management, which means stop orders. The stock market gives you this amazing tool that can protect your downside risk. What does that mean? That means if I put 100 shares to buy at 50, I can put in what's called a stop order at 49.5. So that if the trade goes against me, I'm not gonna lose. I can identify how much I'm willing to lose. And so think about it. I'm willing to lose $50 to make $200 every day of the week, but I'm not willing to risk 200 to make 50, because if I have one losing trades, I need 4 winners to get even. So the rules of the game need to be identified, need to be learned by everybody. When somebody is a successful trader, they're not worrying about what the institutions are doing. When someone is unsuccessful, they love to blame somebody. They blame the market maker. He sees my stop orders, that's why I don't use them. Right, he's out to get me. Trust me, the bigger players in the game are not out here to hurt retail investors. They're not out here, the market makers are not out here to screw the retail investor. They have look, I've gone up to them. I've been trading with them for years.